Today I'll talk about machine management and machine maintenance. This is my second lecture in this series, and I'll talk about preventive maintenance today. I have taken three lectures on machine maintenance and machine management. First one was on machine breakdown analysis. This is my second lecture, which is on preventive maintenance. And then my third lecture is on reliability analysis. So equipment maintenance can be divided into three types of maintenance. One is the reactive or corrective maintenance. Second is preventive maintenance, and third is conditional or predictive maintenance. There is slight difference between conditional and predictive maintenance, but they are more or less similar. So there are these three types of maintenance. Reactive maintenance is a corrective maintenance. It is implemented after a machine fails. Its objective is to make the equipment work normally again. It is usually very costly. Then preventive maintenance is maintenance that is regularly performed on an equipment with an objective to lessen the likelihood of its failing. It is performed while the equipment is still working so that it does not break down unexpectedly. So machine is examined by engineers periodically, and the parts which are going to uh, break down in future, they are replaced timely so that our machine does not fail. The third one is conditional maintenance or predictive maintenance. There is slight difference. I will talk about predictive maintenance. It relies on precise formulas in addition to sensor measurement. So there are certain vital measurements of machine, that is, for example, temperature, vibrations, and noise. We human being have vitals, for example, respiratory rate and pulse. By examining, by keeping a watch on these vitals of machine, we can actually predict the failure timely. So maintenance work is performed based on analysis of these vital parameters. Now I'll talk about preventive maintenance in detail. Preventive maintenance are of two types. One is time-based preventive maintenance. Here, preventive maintenance is done like 4 times a year or 2 times a year. And the other one is usage-based preventive maintenance. Here, the preventive maintenance is done, for example, after 1,000 products are produced by a machine or 2,000 products produced by a machine, and so on. So there should be a planning for preventive maintenance, because good preventive maintenance planning is all about fine-tuning the frequency of preventive maintenance. Now, how to decide whether to do preventive maintenance every month or every 2 months or every 3 months or 2 times a year? This needs a planning. It is crucial to find the right balance between doing preventive maintenance too often, which will be expensive, and not often, when we likely miss failure between inspections. This is the relation between the frequency of preventive maintenance and total maintenance cost. If we do preventive maintenance very frequently, then cost of preventive maintenance is high, whereas cost of failure maintenance or corrective maintenance, when equipment fail in between the preventive maintenance, is lesser. If we increase the duration of preventive maintenance, that is, we do less number of preventive maintenance, then cost of failure would increase. And the total cost is like this curve. And at this point, the total maintenance cost is low, and this is the optimal point. So, what is total annual cost of maintenance? Total annual cost of maintenance is equal to number of preventive maintenance done per year multiplied by cost of preventive maintenance plus number of breakdowns which occur multiplied by the cost of corrective maintenance. So this is the annual cost. Now I'll talk about different scenarios where we have m number of machines. I'll go through an example by which it will be very clear how to decide the frequency of preventive maintenance. So for example, if we have a total of 15 machines, question is what will be the total cost if preventive maintenance is done every 3 months? And cost of preventive maintenance given is 650, and cost of reactive maintenance or corrective maintenance is 5,500. This is the probability of failure 1 month after maintenance is probability 0.1. 2 months after maintenance, the probability is 0.2. 3 months after maintenance, the probability is 0.3, and so on. And the total probability is equal to 1. So the total cost of preventive maintenance for this should be read as every T periods, where NUM means number of machines. So total cost if preventive maintenance is done every T periods is equal to number of machines multiplied by cost of preventive maintenance plus the number of machines which break down during this period T multiplied by cost of corrective maintenance, where BT is given by this formula, which appear complicated. I will explain you with our example. So expected number of failures within 3 months after preventive maintenance. This can be calculated by this formula. So this is a stepwise thing. First, we calculate the number of machines which fail in first month. So it is 1.5 machines. We multiply the number of machines multiplied by the probability of failure after first month of preventive maintenance. The machines which fail in second month after preventive maintenance is equal to number of machines multiplied by frequency in second month plus the number of machines which are repaired in this first month which broke down 1.5 multiplied by probability P1. So it is 4.65. Similarly, the number of machines which break down within 3 months after preventive maintenance is equal to 15 multiplied by frequency of third month plus number of machines which have been repaired in second month, and they will face the probability of first month because after second month we have first month. So it is B2 multiplied by P1 plus the number of machines which were repaired in first month, they will face the probability of second month. So this is multiplication here. So we get the number as 9.76. So the total cost, if we do preventive maintenance every 3 months, comes out to be 63,457.5. So this is how we calculate the cost, and we target that we should do preventive maintenance so that we keep the total cost as minimum. This is all for today. Thank you very much.